Insurance can be complex. Understanding your policy is important in getting the coverage you want for your property. In this video, we're going to compare the difference between replacement cost value and actual cash value. If you have replacement cost value, or RCV coverage, your policy will pay the cost to repair or replace your damaged property without deducting for depreciation. If you have an actual cash value, or ACV coverage, your policy will pay the depreciated cost to repair or replace your damaged property. Regardless of the type of policy you have, the company will first pay you the ACV of an item, meaning depreciation is withheld. Then if your policy allows for RCV coverage, once the property is actually replaced, they will then release the withheld depreciation, allowing you the full replacement cost of your policy. If you upgrade your policy, the difference will be your financial responsibility, as a company will not allow for betterment. All supplemental estimates must be submitted to your company for prior approval. If you are unsure of the type of coverage you have, check the declaration page of your homeowner's policy to see whether the policy provides replacement cost coverage. If it specifies replacement cost, then you have replacement cost coverage. If it does not specify replacement cost, then your policy likely only covers actual cash value. Here is an example of the two valuation methods. Keep in mind, there are different ways an insurance company will settle your claim depending upon the type of insurance contract you have. A house with replacement cost value. A replacement cost settlement allows the company to pay you the amount needed to replace an item of equivalent kind at today's pricing. The cost to replace a 10-year-old roof is $20,000. The policy deductible is $1,000. The recoverable depreciation is $10,000. The ACV payment made by the company is $9,000. After all of the repairs are complete, you may request the recoverable depreciation. This gives you the opportunity to recoup up to $19,000 once all claim payments are issued, meaning you're only out of pocket for your deductible. The insurance payment is calculated by taking the cost of the new roof, which is $20,000. You subtract the recoverable depreciation of $10,000. Next, you subtract the deductible, which is $1,000. The initial payment will be $9,000, but after the repairs are complete, you can request recoverable depreciation for the remaining $10,000. This gives you a total insurance claim payment of $19,000 once all payments are issued. The only amount you will have to pay is your deductible. If you have an RCV policy, there may be recoverable depreciation due to you. A company will not automatically pay you for the recoverable depreciation. You must submit the proper documentation, such as paid and itemized receipts for repairs, photographs, etc. You will have a certain amount of time to submit the documentation to the company for consideration of the release of recoverable depreciation funds, if any. Now, we will compare the same house and damage with actual cash value. An ACV settlement allows the company to pay you the amount needed to repair or replace your property minus depreciation. Depreciation is the decrease in value of your property due to age and/or use. The cost to replace a 10-year-old roof is $20,000. The policy deductible is $1,000. Non-recoverable depreciation is $10,000. The depreciation schedule is $1,000 per year. The ACV payment by the company is $9,000. The insurance payment is calculated by taking the cost of the new roof, which is $20,000. You subtract the depreciation, which is $1,000 times 10 years, giving you $10,000. Next, you subtract the deductible, which is $1,000. This gives you a total insurance payment of $9,000. You will be responsible for your deductible and the remainder of the difference. As you see, the same damage can result in very different insurance payment. While an actual cash value policy extended by a company typically offers consumers a lower premium than that of a replacement cost policy. However, the replacement cost policy is intended to make the consumer whole following a covered loss. It's important to understand your policy and decide the best option of risk transference. If you have additional questions or concerns, it's typically a good idea to reach out to your insurance agent or company. For more information on how to navigate the insurance claims process, view our post-disaster claims guide at insurance.mo.gov.